Emailing. Alright, Richard's absolute carnage here. What can you do? Get them off, get them hot, soak them in oil, get them freed up, refit them. Alternatively, you want to be looking for Caravan door hinges. I mean, what happens, they seize up, then they put extra pressure on the door frame, then that lets water in. That's it, before you know, door's falling off. So yeah, it's just a case of work. I mean, look, you've got those type there, they're the shit things, don't they? But yeah, it's just a case of working out what better suits the shape that you need and going for that. But I've seen normal door hinges fitted to Habitation doors, and they just cut them to suit. But yeah, Remo style, that's what they look like, isn't it? Yeah, so you've got the hinge and then double L. But anyway, double L. Hope that helps. Cheers and bye.